Here's something most women get completely wrong about their worth. They try to say it. I'm a good woman. I deserve better. I know my value. And look, all of that might be true. But here's the hard truth. Telling a man your worth means nothing. Because worth was never something you announce. It's something you show, quietly, through what you do, what you allow, and what you refuse to tolerate. A man doesn't fall for the woman who tells him she's a catch. He falls for the woman whose actions leave no doubt. So today, I'm going to show you 4 quiet ways to prove your worth to a man, without saying a single word. And by the end, you'll understand why the strongest thing you can do is sometimes nothing at all. Stay with me. The first one is the hardest for women who love deeply, and it's this: stop carrying the whole relationship on your back. Let me paint you a picture. Think of yourself like a phone battery, and the relationship is the screen that's always on, always lit up, always running. If you pour every bit of your charge into keeping that screen glowing, never plugging yourself back in, what happens? You drain to zero, and a drained woman starts to feel like a burden when she was never meant to be one. I want you to think about 2 different women. The first one plans every date. She keeps the conversation alive when it goes quiet. She fills every silence, smooths every mood, makes sure he's always comfortable, always entertained. She's exhausted, and somehow he still seems a little bored. The second woman, she doesn't perform. When there's a silence, she lets it sit. She doesn't panic. She's not there to be his entertainer. She's there to share her life, not host his. And here's what's strange. Men lean toward the second woman every time. Not because she did more, because she did less. And that calm told him something. It told him she doesn't need to win him over. She already knows she's enough. Because the message your overgiving sends isn't, I love you. It's, I'm not sure I'm enough on my own, so let me earn my place. And a man feels that. The woman who shows her worth is the one who can say with her actions alone, I will pour into us, but I will never drain myself dry to keep you. If being around me isn't enough, that's not my job to fix. That's not coldness. That's self-respect. And he feels it instantly. The second way to show your worth without a word: never stop growing. One of the most magnetic things a woman can do is evolve. To keep becoming a slightly newer version of herself. Learning, shifting, reaching for something. Because when a man watches the woman in his life quietly bettering herself, something stirs in him. It challenges him. It makes him want to rise too. Let me give you an example. Picture a woman who decides, just for herself, not for him, to start something new. Maybe she picks up a language she always wanted to learn. Maybe she starts training for something, or finally chases a goal she'd put on a shelf for years. She's not doing it to impress anyone. But watch what happens to her energy. She walks taller. She lights up when she talks about her day. She's got a world of her own now, a place she goes that has nothing to do with him. And he notices. He can't always put it into words, but he feels it. Who is this woman becoming? That curiosity, that little spark of, I don't want to be left behind. That's admiration forming. Because here's the quiet truth. A woman who is always growing can never be taken for granted. You can't get comfortable with someone who keeps surprising you. The woman who stays exactly the same, who folds her whole world into a man and stops becoming, she slowly fades into the background of his life. But the woman who keeps evolving stays interesting. She stays a person he has to keep getting to know. And the best part? You're not doing it for him at all. You're doing it for you. He just gets to watch and you want to keep up. One honest note, a good man will be inspired by your growth. An insecure one will feel threatened and try to shrink you. So watch his reaction closely. Because how a man responds to you becoming more tells you everything about whether he deserves to be there for it. And the third? This is the most powerful one. It's the one that needs no words at all. It's this: let what you walk away from show him your worth. You can tell a man, don't disrespect me 100 times. It means nothing. But the one time you calmly stand up, gather yourself, and remove your presence from disrespect, without a fight, without a lecture, without begging him to understand, that says more than 1,000 conversations ever could. Let me give you a picture of it. Imagine a man crosses a line. He's dismissive, he's careless with your feelings. He does the thing he knows he shouldn't. The woman who hasn't found her worth yet will explain. She'll argue, she'll cry and plead and try to make him see why it hurt. And in all that effort, she accidentally teaches him one thing, that she'll stay and absorb it. But the woman who knows her worth, she doesn't perform her pain. She simply steps back, she goes quiet. She pulls her warmth, her time, her energy. Not as a punishment, not as a game, but because disrespect in her presence simply cannot exist in the same room. She doesn't threaten to leave. She just stops pouring in. And that silence is deafening, because a man can argue with your words. He cannot argue with your absence. When you stop explaining your boundaries and start living them, he finally understands the one thing he needs to, that your respect is not guaranteed. It's earned, and it can be lost. That is worth shown without a single syllable. And there's one last thing, and this one happens entirely inside your own head, but a man feels it more than anything else. Let me show you something. Right now, whatever you do, don't think of a yellow giraffe, don't picture it, don't imagine its long neck. And what's the very first thing in your mind right now? A yellow giraffe. That's how your mind works. It chases whatever you tell it not to. And it's exactly the same with love. When everything inside you is screaming, don't get hurt again, don't let him leave, don't be too much. That fear becomes the very thing you end up living. You walk into love already braced for loss. And a man can feel that fear on you like a smell. It makes you grip tighter, read into everything, shrink yourself small. So flip it. Stop pouring your focus into what you're afraid of and put it on what you actually want. Not, please don't leave me, but I'm building a life so good that the right man gets to be lucky enough to join it. That quiet shift in your focus changes your whole energy. And the woman who isn't operating from fear, she carries a calm that no words could ever fake. So if you take one thing from this, let it be this: your worth was never something to prove. It was never something to say. It's something you live, in how you refuse to drain yourself, in how you keep becoming more, in what you quietly walk away from, and in where you choose to put your focus. Do those 4 things, and you'll never have to tell a man your value again. He'll see it, he'll feel it, and the right one will spend his time trying to be worthy of you. If this hits something in you, like this video and subscribe, because you deserve to feel calm in love, and tell me in the comments your story. Have you ever had to walk away to show someone your worth?